Greetings viewers. If you subscribe now, you'll be able to watch our carefully crafted, thoroughly researched videos. At the conclusion of each video, I'll ask a question and you can respond in the comments section. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Today, we are providing information about the 10 top foods that are sure to help you lose belly fat quickly. These foods are scientifically proven to be effective in aiding weight loss and reducing belly fat. So, make sure to include these foods in your diet to get the best results. Losing belly fat can be a challenging task, but incorporating certain foods into your diet can help you achieve your goal. Here are 10 top foods that can help you lose belly fat fast. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are low in calories and high in fiber. They are also packed with nutrients that can help boost your metabolism and reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to belly fat. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants and low in calories. They are also a great source of fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats and fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. They are also a great source of potassium, which can help reduce water retention in the body and minimize bloating. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They are also a good source of antioxidants and minerals that can help boost your metabolism and reduce inflammation in the body. Fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, and sardines are high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote weight loss. They also have low calorie and contains a high amount of healthy fats. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote weight loss. It is also a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce belly fat and improve heart health. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats, and they can help you feel full and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. They also contain a nutrient called choline, which can help with fat metabolism. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber and nutrients that can help boost your metabolism and reduce inflammation in the body. They also have a low glycemic index, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Legumes. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel full and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. They also contain resistant starch, which is a type of carbohydrate that can help reduce belly fat and improve insulin sensitivity. Spices. Spices like cumin, cinnamon, and turmeric are not only delicious, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce belly fat and promote weight loss. They also can boost the metabolism. It's important to note that it's not only about what you eat, but also how much you eat and how much you move your body. Incorporating these foods into your diet, along with regular exercise and portion control, can help you lose belly fat and achieve your weight loss goals. Also, it's recommended to avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption, as they can contribute to belly fat and weight gain. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.